Don't take C here. Okay, na? This one, you don't take C, take something lambda. Okay, students? Students?
Yes, sir.
Now what is that lambda value? 2 by m. Okay, na? That C is 2 by m. Okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Now this one you compare with your question condition. What is the question condition? Y equal to mx plus c, because this is the tangent of students now. Now in the place of c, what is their constant term? 2m plus 2 by m. That minimum value. That minimum value. Okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Don't confuse. What about next one more? Common tangent to both these parabolas. First write the parabolas, how they are. How it is first parabola. Students, how is the first parabola? It is like this.
Yes, sir.
Next parabola.
It will start at 0.
Hmm.
2.
It will continue like this, no ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where is the common tangent?
X-axis. X-axis, sir.
Oh, sorry. There is a mic. 1 second. Now it's x-axis only. Okay. Now x-axis, but that is second curve is like this.
It will be downward.
Downwards. Starts at same point only, but looks downwards.
Phase.
Yes, yes. Students, fine, ma? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Isn't still X-axis a common tangent? X-axis is still a common tangent, right?
Yeah, but we have one is that is there. Options you need to see, na? Not only that, right? You'll have even another also. Other also will get it as a common tangent. Is it true, students?
Yes, sir.
Understand, all of you, diagram after seeing, after checking this diagram, y equal to x square, and one more parabola is this. Got it, students? As for this diagram, no, common tangent is x-axis also. But as for options, if you see, there is a possibility of having one more curve also. Correct or not? All of you students? Students?
Yes, sir.
Conditions you need to use. So common tangent, I'll start with y equal to mx plus c. Okay, na? Students?
Yes, sir.
This is common tangent. Okay. If this is tangent to is tangent x square equal to y or y equal to x square, what is the condition I gave? Do you remember? Y equal to mx plus c. Table ma. Table x square equal to 4ay. What is the condition?
C is equal to minus am square.
Check one, students. Is it true? Students, is it true?
Yes, sir.
Table yesterday you prepared table, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Check it. C equal to minus am square or not? Third condition.
Yes, sir.
That only I am using. So C equal to A. Instead of A, we are having 4A is 1. A is 1 by 4, right?
1 by 4.
Minus 1 by 4 m square. Is it fine, students? Students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Again, y equal to mx plus c is tangent to y equal to minus of x minus 2 the whole square. Condition I want. I don't want tangent. Only condition. Correct or not? Only tangent when you are finding. What happened? Tell me, students. No importance to shift in origin. Correct or not? Length only we want. Correct?
Yes.
What is that? What is that now? Y square equal to minus 4x. What is the condition? C equal to am square. Correct or not? Students, all of you? Students, all of you? C equal to am square. Okay. What is a here, ma'am? You can write this as x minus 2 the whole square minus 1 into y now, students?
Yes, sir.
So then what is 4a now minus 1? A is minus 1
Minus
by 4. Condition is C equal to am square. Correct, students?
Yes,
students.
sir.
So C value already above we know minus 1 by 4 m square equal to A value is what?
Minus 1 by 4 m square.
Minus 1 second.
E value is 1 by 4.
A value 1 by 4.
Yes,
We
sir.
are comparing, right? A value 1 by 4 and here m is m square only, no students? One second, no? Where we went wrong? It shifts the origin. This is the problem. One second, listen here. We have answer here only. In the above point, what is our discussion? Here also, same discussion. Okay. X minus 2 the whole square is minus y, no students? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here what is the vertex mark?
2,
0.
2, 0. Now generally, what is the tangent to this one, students? Anytime the tangent. Anytime the tangent is what, ma? Y minus 0 equal to m into x minus h
is 2 plus 3.
plus c. Correct or not, students?
Yes, sir.
Students, this will be the tangent right here
Yes, sir.
to this parabola, ma. Understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now y equal to mx minus mh. H is what here, students? 2. Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Plus c.
Plus C.
Students, understand? This is your tangent to this parabola, right? This is the tangent to the parabola, right? All of you, ma.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please repeatedly I am telling, please don't confuse. First condition you forgot about that. You assume there is nothing above. Okay, na? Now this is the tangent to this parabola, ma, here. This is the tangent to the second parabola. Then y equal to mx plus c. This is not the tangent. Then it should be what? What it should be? This must be the value of the condition, right, students? Now, in the place of constant, what is there here? This full thing, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So, what is the condition for the second parabola? It is to be tangent. C equal to
Equal to AM square.
AM square. But in the place of C, what is there, students?
C minus 2m.
C minus 2m equal to
1
A.
by 4m square.
A is 1 by 4 m square. Got it, all of you? Now, in the C, what is C? Above you know. What is C? Above you know. Minus 1 by 4 m square minus 2m is 1 by 4 m square. Then you can shift the sides to one side, whichever it is. Minus 2m equal to, got it,
Minus
students?
1 by 2. No, plus 1 by 2 m square.
1 by 2 m square. 1 m
square.
m equal to 0.
4.
There we got it right already. That is x-axis only. Then another
Yes,
value
sir.
of m is minus 4, no,
4.
students?
Yes, sir.
Now this is your common tangent. So you can substitute, you'll get the answer.
Yes, sir.
Don't confuse. This is, see, when you want to compare, this is a tangent to this parabola, accepted. No confusion here, students.
Yes, sir.
This is accepted for this parabola only. This is, but to this parabola, this is not a tangent. To this parabola, tangent is this only. Got it, students? Repeatedly again I'm saying, ma, y equal to mx plus c is tangent to x square equal to 4ay. Got it? This is tangent to x square equal to 4ay. Okay, students?
Yes, sir.
X minus h the whole square equal to 4a into y minus k. What is the tangent? Its tangent is what? Tell me, what is its tangent? Y equal to
Minus
m into y minus k.
minus
Got
k
it?
is equals
K
to
equal to
x
m into
minus
x
h
minus c
plus c.
plus c. This is the tangent. Okay, now,
Yes, sir.
students, all of you,
Yes, sir.
all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the important point here. Now, but you have to compare because you are taking this is the tangent to the parabola, right? That's why I am comparing and converting that into the standard form and picking up C from there. Got it? Students, got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This point, please be clear. Repeatedly,
Now, sir, we have to substitute m value in the second.
M is not changing. C only changing.
No, sir. Now the answer we have to do it y is equals to mx minus 2m plus c, no, sir.
See, you got M value here, right?
Yes, sir.
Above you got C, right?
Yes, sir.
Both you substitute in Y equal to MX plus.
mx plus c or mx minus 2m plus c, sir.
MX plus C only. We balanced that C now here. That's why only this discussion, right? We didn't maintain with the same C what you have taken at beginning. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, you can do one small other idea also. Students, one more idea also you can do. Like suppose if you are confusing. Okay. See here, first point clear now. Once again, I'm explaining students because there is a small chances there to you to confuse between C. Between C, there is a small chance is there to confuse. That's why I'm explaining again, students. Please see all of you. If you are having confusion, if not, okay. Why repeatedly I'm telling means there is a chance to you to take C value wrongly.
Yes.
Even above question also, that point. No, I am just trying to check that whether you are confused or not. That's why I'm explaining multiple times. Right, students? Now, y equal to mx minus 1 by 4 m square is tangent to x minus 2 whole square equal to minus y. Is it fine, students?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Forgot total point. First point I have applied, then I got this. Is it okay up to here, all of you students?
Yes, sir.
1 second. Okay, now forgot about that above C also. Okay, students? Students, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is its vertex, 2, 0, right? Okay. What is the tangent to this? Don't check with that. What is the tangent to this? Tell me.
Y is equals to m into
Y
x
minus 0
is equals
equal
to m
to
into x minus 2
x
zero
minus
plus
2 plus c.
x minus 2
plus
plus
c.
C. Correct, students, all of you?
Yes, sir.
All of you, ma? So now y equal to mx.
mx minus 2m plus c.
This is the tangent to that parabola. Now you are saying this is the tangent to this parabola. Got it? Students, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Both are same only, no?
Yes, sir.
Compare coefficients and get. That also fine. This is tangent to that now. We know that this is the tangent to the parabola.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you can compare both also, no?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
T minus 2m equals to minus 1 by 4 m square.
Hmm. That also you can apply anything. Okay, don't
Yes, sir.
confuse your students. Between parabola to parabola, vertex is changing. Then there is a small point is there to confuse. So please avoid that. M equal to 0 and M equal to 4. Two conditions we got. Of course, we have done already. Answer is also correct. Here, no discussion about that. But that completely conveying over here. Or 1 second, 2 minutes, students, or another way I'm doing. First, I'm finding common tangent to that confused parabola. Okay. So what is the parabola? First parabola you can take, students. First parabola, x minus 2 whole square equal to minus y. You can, what is the common, means tangent to this parabola, students? Tangent to this one is y. Right now, students, y minus 0 equal to m into x minus 2 plus c. Is it okay, ma? Can I take like this to avoid confusion,
sir.
students?
Yes, sir.
Reversely I'm doing. But here, what is the c, students? Minus or plus am square, right? C equal to plus am square, right?
Yes, sir.
Condition same, no. Only equation of tangent change. Condition remains same, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the equation of tangent now?
Y equals to mx minus 2m plus am square.
Mx minus 2m
2m plus
Plus
c
am
plus
plus am
am square.
am square. So y equal to mx minus 2m plus a.
Plus-
What is a, ma? A is 1 only.
1 by 4.
1 by 4, right? Sorry. 1 by 4, right? 1 by
Sir.
4 m square. Okay. Now y equal to mx plus 1 by 4 m square minus
Minus
2m,
2m.
whatever. You can take, this is the equation number 1. Now I'm writing, student, equation 1 is tangent to easy parabola. What is that easy parabola? Y square equal to x square equal to y. Okay, ma? Understand, students?
Yes, sir.
Students, please, all of you, understand this point now.
Yes, sir.
Now this is a tangent to the parabola, means now can I compare this with y equal to mx plus c equal to x square equal to 4ay? What is the condition of tangency to these two? C equal to minus am square, no, students?
Yes, sir.
In the place of c, what is there, ma? 1 by 4 m square minus 2m,
Minus 2m.
right? Minus, in the place of a, here what is there? 4a. 4a is 1, a is
1 by 4.
1 by 4 m square. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
1 by 2 m square equal to 2m, no, ma? M and m gets cancelled, m is 4, right?
4. Yes, sir.
This is okay, no?
Yes, sir.
So take for the confused parabola first and remove the c from there. Got it? Students?
Yes, sir.
For tomorrow, you can try this common tangent to circle and a parabola. You can try. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
remaining I'll post in the group. See, exercise 2, exercise 3 today, tomorrow I'm going to solve. But exercise 1 you complete it. Okay, exercise 1, please complete.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, sorry, I took around 20 minutes extra to convey this point only, not to confuse. This approach you can take. Okay. Note down, students, and whoever written you can leave. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.